Welcome to Inspire Fluent. Today, I want to talk about something powerful, something that can change your life forever. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's not even intelligence. It's consistency, the power of doing things day in, day out. Think about it. Every great achievement you see around you was not built in a single day. The tallest buildings, the greatest companies, the strongest people, they were all built through small steps taken every single day in, day out. That's what creates mastery. That's what creates success. Not a single burst of energy, not a one-time push, but steady action. Every morning, every night, every effort that seems small in the moment, but adds up over time. Let's understand this phrase. Day in, day out means doing something regularly, without fail. It means commitment. It means showing up even when you don't feel like it, even when nobody is watching, even when results are slow, because true growth is invisible at first. Like a seed buried in the soil, you water it daily. You nurture it. For weeks you see nothing, but deep inside the roots are growing. And one day, it breaks the ground. One day it grows tall. That's the power of day in, day out. Consistency always pays off. So ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Do you want to be healthier? Do you want to master English? Do you want to build confidence? All of it is possible, but only with steady effort. Day in, day out. Not once, not twice, but every single day. And that's where most people fail. They start strong. They feel motivated, but they quit when it gets hard. They give up when results are slow. They forget that greatness is built brick by brick. Don't let that be you. Don't stop halfway. Your journey matters. Your discipline matters. And today, I'm going to share stories that prove the unstoppable power of consistency. Let's begin with a story. A young man wanted to learn the piano. He was not gifted. He was not fast. But every single day he practiced for 30 minutes. Day in, day out. His friends laughed at him. They said he would never become good. But he kept going, slowly, steadily. After 1 year, he could play simple songs. After 3 years, he could play in front of an audience. And after 5 years, he became a teacher. Not because he was the most talented, but because he was the most consistent. That's how success works. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats intelligence. Consistency beats motivation. Motivation fades. Energy fades. But discipline stays. And discipline is built by repetition, by showing up daily, by doing it day in, day out. Think of the gym. You don't see results in a week, but you do see results after 6 months. If you go daily, if you stay disciplined. The same is true for learning English. If you read 1 page daily, if you learn 1 word daily, if you practice 1 phrase daily, it adds up. And soon you'll be fluent. Fluent not just in English, but fluent in life. Because consistency is not just about language. It's about building yourself. Brick by brick, habit by habit, day in, day out. Now let me tell you another story. There was a writer. He wanted to publish a book, but he struggled. He faced rejection after rejection. Still, he kept writing. Every single day, day in, day out. Some days he wrote 1 page. Some days he wrote only 1 paragraph. But he never stopped. After years of effort, his book was finally published. And it became a bestseller. Why? Because of 1 secret: consistency. You see, the world rewards those who keep going. The world rewards those who refuse to quit. The world rewards those who take small steps daily. Because success is never sudden. It's always the result of invisible effort. Effort repeated over and over. Day in, day out. So today I want you to reflect. What's that 1 goal in your life? What's that 1 dream you carry inside? Are you ready to work for it? Not for a day, not for a week, but for months, for years, until it becomes real. Remember this: if you can be consistent, you can achieve anything. Consistency is the magic key, and day in, day out is the door it unlocks. Now I want you to imagine your future self, stronger, smarter, more confident, more successful. That version of you is waiting. But it will only come to life if you stay consistent. If you choose discipline, if you choose effort, if you choose action, every single day, day in, day out. Because success is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up. It's about trying again. It's about never quitting. So I ask you today, what will you commit to? What will you do daily? Will you practice English? Will you read books? Will you chase your dreams? Whatever it is, start now, not tomorrow, not someday, but today, and do it again tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that, day in, day out, because one day you'll look back, and you'll realize that small steps created massive results, that ordinary days created extraordinary success, that you became unstoppable. And it all started with one decision, the decision to be consistent. Remember this always. Consistency turns dreams into reality. So, if you found this inspiring, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Inspire Fluent. And in the comments, tell me, which English phrase should we cover in the next video? Because your journey of learning and growth continues, day in, day out.